In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for YouTube TV. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we want to do is open up a web browser and head to tv.youtube.com. And now once you're here, you'll be taken to the official website for YouTube TV. And once you're here, you've got a few different ways how to sign up. So on the top right, it might say try 10 days for that amount of money, or on the main page here it will say the best live TV streaming service overall, try 10 days for free pretty much. So go ahead and click on either one of those buttons, and now you need to choose a Google account to continue. So I'm going to choose my Tutorial Wiz Google account. Then from here it will ask for what is your zip code, so they'll find networks in your area. So I'm going to jot down my zip code here in the Las Vegas area. This is just for demonstration purposes. And then they'll say try a free preview first. This might change in the future, but at this point in time, yeah, you can try a free preview. So you can preview for 20 minutes or click on start your free trial. I'm going to go ahead and click on start free trial. And now from here, you need to choose your plan. So after your free trial has finished, you'll need to go onto a plan. So at the moment, they've only got a base plan. And then it will say enjoy however many channels of live TV with unlimited DVR space, multi-view and family sharing. You can go ahead and click on more info if you like, so you can see all the different channels it includes. And you can also share this up with up to 5 family members as well with the base plan. Now from here, you want to click onto next. Then from here, you'll come to this page where you can check out. Before you check out, they might add some extra things to your plan, so you can try a 7-day free trial of this NFL Red Zone. You can also add Max and 4K Plus. If you don't want to add any of that, just skip that and go ahead and click on checkout, bottom right hand corner of the page. And then a little box will appear to complete your purchase, so we'll give you the rundown of what you're getting. So I'm getting a base plan on a free trial, and then it starts at $59.99 a month after that. And then the regular price billing starts on at a higher rate after the April 22nd, 2025. This will be different depending on when you're purchasing this. And then from here, you need to select your payment method. So we got a few different ways. So we can add a credit card or debit card or add PayPal. So I'm going to go and click on add a debit card. I'm going to put in my details here. And then from here, I'm going to go ahead and click on start membership. And then after that, you'll be able to, you would have completed your account sign up for YouTube TV, and you can go ahead and enjoy watching YouTube TV.